everyone! Today, I am going to draw and color cute cartoon house. Drawing step by step. Let's start drawing. So friends, let's start drawing. First, I'll draw a line like this, and I will draw 2 lines on the side in the shape of a triangle. Now I'll draw 2 lines on both sides and merge them together at the bottom. Draw its chimney. I'll draw a few wavy lines. Friends! I am drawing a window now. Now I'm drawing a beautiful door with a heart. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's color now. First, I'm using dark blue color. Now, I'm giving the chimney and its walls a pink color. Sky blue color in the blank space above. Green color. Red. Yellow color. So friends, our drawing is complete. If you like the drawing, like, share, subscribe. See you later in the video.